Now let's solve this problem. Sin A divided by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. Here we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Solution. First let me write down the LHS. What is the LHS? LHS is sin A divided by 1 minus cos A. Now let's rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Therefore, what it will become? Sin A divided by 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. Okay? Sin A into 1 plus cos A. Sin A into 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. Let me write as it is this one. Sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now look at this. 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. It is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, we can apply the formula. What is the formula? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here we have 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A. I can write it as A square. A square means 1 square minus B square means it will become cos square A. Right? We can write it as 1 square. I will write 1 minus cos square A. Therefore, is 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. We can write it as 1 minus cos square A. This one. I will write it as 1 minus cos square A. We know another formula of trigonometry. What is that? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1. This plus cos square A, it will go this side and it will become minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. Okay? Therefore, sin A into 1 plus cos A, let me write as it is. But this 1 minus cos square A, we can write it as sin square A. Sin square A. Okay? Now observe carefully. Sin square A and sin A, it will get cancelled. Right? Let me write in detail. Sin A into 1 plus cos A. Sin square A means what? Sin A it is present 2 times. That is sin A into sin A. Sin A it will get cancelled. What is left? 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. See here I can split the terms and I can write. That is 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. One by sin A is cosecant A plus cos A by sin A is cot A. Right? That is what our RHS. We proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.